If I haven't introduced myself before, my name is Rebecca. I'm an interior designer in Billings, Montana. I want to start a series on this page, and it'll kind of be random, but I want to talk about simple things that you can do on a floor plan that will make it better without actually affecting the square footage, or in some cases even shrinking the square footage. I know that's a topic of a lot of concern for people, and I definitely want to help you out. So I'm going to show some real life examples just using some stock plans I found online and let you know how they could be better. One of the things I talk about most frequently with my clients is being aware of the sight lines. So what I mean by that is when you're sitting over here, say in the great room, what can you see while you're seated there? What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? And the first thing that pops out to me here is this bathroom. Now, it's not terrible, but if you look, you can see from this sofa, if that door is left open, you can see that toilet. So we don't want to do that. So simple, and this actually fixes two birds with one stone. I would actually take this and put the door here, flip your sink, flip your toilet, and either leave the shower where it is, or since that's probably not needed, flip the shower and have this be your dead zone. Not only does that fix the sight line of that toilet, but it also puts all of your plumbing on one wall that's an interior wall and not an exterior wall. Hope that helps.